All right, we'll leave that off for a second. Okay, you should have your prediction written down. All right, now again, if you want to come see, you can come on up to the edge of these tables to get a better view or watch from where you're at. So let's see what happens.
Do you want us to write down the observations as well?
Yeah, you can.
Expanded. Look, did you see that earlier? Come on, let's blow. Looks with it.
Get the lights for me. Yeah, all of them.
Can I touch it?
No, very hot. Maybe.
Looks almost like tissue paper.
It does.
Like really red.
Not yet. Ha, 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 ha. All right, don't be afraid. All right. So finish writing your observations. Number 4. Like this.
How much was there initially?
Is that a half bar or is that a full bar?
Full bar. Yep. Yep, it's the ivory. That's why it's still white. Now, I'm going to let you come up and touch it if you want to. Let me demonstrate how you touch it. Not shoving your fingers into it, okay? It's still hot inside. I don't want anybody burned, and I want it to stay in one piece. So, if you want to come up and touch it, you can. But don't shove your fingers and you can include that in your observations as well.
Nathan, I feel like you're gonna
Easy, David. Don't worry about it. Who noticed the difference between when it was cooking and when the microwave shut off? Yeah.
Smell got stronger afterwards.
The smell's definitely involved. Now I'll let you guys touch it too, so you get a little bit of that. So you've got several senses you've been able to use for this particular one.
That's hard. It's okay.
All right. Now, I'm going to do the same thing with the Irish bar. Irish Spring. We're going to stick Irish Spring in the microwave as well. and see what we get. So go ahead for number 5. Write down your predictions for Irish Spring.
What does that feel? It feels like almost like Dragon. Like almost Dragon.
What's something you like to use?
I like dial white because it's virtually scentless. Like if I had to get in the shower with this every morning, I'd start vomiting probably.
Vomiting?
Yeah, I can't, the smell's so strong, it drives me crazy. But I know a lot of people like it, else they wouldn't sell it, right?
Yeah, I like to bring it out.
Someone
use it all the
says
time.
spring out.
Sorry. All right, so here's round 2.
I got you like spring.
Thank you. All right, so if you haven't yet, you should have written down your prediction for Irish Spring number 5. What do you expect will happen?
I'm gonna say it.
Turned off the lights too early, bro. Any changes yet? At the end of the day, I'm having a very clean, smelling microwave.
Smelling.
Oh, we never use it for food ever again. All my food's gonna taste like soap. Remind me of being in 5th grade.
That's up.
If I ever got caught lying, my mom would wash my mouth out with soap.
Isn't so kind of like a form of potty poison?
My mom had to swallow
No.
so she was.
All right, let's see. I get the lights again? Lights, quick, hey, lights.
Like your eye.
All right. This one I won't let you touch. It stays hot for quite a while. I want you to see the difference. Yeah, I mean, I'll come back in an hour and it's still warmer inside. All right, so number 6, which you cannot see, is you're also going to write down observations, questions, and inferences for your students.
Okay.
Okay. So, Cameron, you still got the ball, right? Yeah. Oh, you throwing it at someone else?
No, I threw it. I didn't even know.
All right, yeah. Okay, so I want you to think for a second. What's going on with these things? Okay, so sharing some inferences or ideas that you think might be going on.
I said maybe it was, the more tightly packed it was, the less it'll expand.
Okay, so maybe something to do with the density?
Yeah.
Whoa, look. Okay, ingredients. Who else?
Don't forget that your lab report.
I have some observations to it.
Okay, go ahead, just shut it up.
I said it was, it expanded, smelled stronger, and was more tightly packed up together than the Iverson.
Okay, all right, good. So you've had two examples of what's possible. So here we have a third soap. This is Dial. This is Dial Yellow, I guess. Call it. It has a distinct smell to it. It's very clean smelling, if you like that kind of smell. So I'm going to drop it in here, and then based on what you see, I want you to predict what you think it's going to do in the microwave. Okay?
What I want you to do is, all you want is
I'm going to grab a fresh bar. All right. So what we've done so far is we've made a bunch of observations. We've written those observations down, and we've been able to kind of get an idea of what we might expect happen if we see something in particular happen first. So you've got some data to pull from to make your decision, to make your prediction about what this is going to do. And this is what science is. Science is collecting the information, writing it down, and then being able to use those observations to make conclusions and therefore make predictions. Without these predictions, we wouldn't be able to figure out what medicines can cure certain diseases, because we wouldn't be able to predict how different chemicals affect different things. And that goes for anything in science and engineering. That's why we do this, is to learn more about the world and progress in our understanding. So go ahead and write down for number 7, your prediction. You saw what happens in water. Now make a prediction what's going to happen in the microwave.
We can do it.
All right, lights. So, no. That might give you an idea as to what might happen.
We got out 15 minutes late.
Yeah, we did. So we're out here at 27. Which way is meet somebody or hanging out? Both. Hunter? Raven? Yeah.
What are we watching?
That's Dial soap.
I smell it.
Yeah. We already cooked there.
Oh,
We already cooked Ivory and Irish Spring.
we're taking a poll?
The favorite, no, we're looking at how dumping in water and cooking in the microwave affects it differently.
Okay.
Trying to figure out what's
Is it
going
gonna explode the microwave?
on. Totally. No, but it's gonna smell really good for a long time.
Yeah.
Or really bad. All right, I'm gonna actually. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, never mind. Pull it out for you. Yeah, would you get the lights again? So I'm gonna bring this one
Looks like
around.
a sweet roll.
It kind of does. And when it gets fluffy, everybody wants to eat it, but it's still gonna taste like soap.
Sounds like so.
Nathan, would you leave? Looks like cake. Or, no, it actually looks like a bread roll.
Probably like one of them
A lot of you guys are asking questions, and these questions would be good questions to write down. A lot of you are making observations, which are good observations you could have written down as well. So yeah, does it say balance still? It's really hot. I don't want you to die. Because you're not sober.
We didn't get it. We didn't sign a waiver saying we touched it like on our own.
He said, oh dear gosh.
No.
Now, I could, just to give you an example, I would have had 30 seconds if I could have, but I couldn't see the button at 30 seconds. Yesterday it blew up. Not really, it opened up and started oozing out some brown goo.
That would look lit.
This was, yeah. Yeah, it feels, it's hardened pretty well. So if I poke this, I might.
You can use
I was going to, but I couldn't find the button in the dark like that. Yeah, it's.
Hold up.
It seriously looks like bread inside.
For real?
Yeah, it's the way all the stuff expanded.
I feel like it's like.
What would happen if you poked tiny little holes in it?
I don't.
How hard was it to poke a hole into?
Dang.
How hard was it to poke the hole?
I wanna touch it. Let's see if it's like.
Can I poke it with my thumb? Can I poke it with my thumb? No.
I wake up eating that long.
So.
Okay, now. You should have written some observations and some inferences and some questions. And it's pretty fascinating what's going on here. I mean, why would this happen? We have some ideas. Still really hot. Ow. But we don't know for sure. What do we need to do to be able to figure it out?
What would happen if you dropped it in water?
Drop what in water?
Dropped it in water again.
Oh, and again?
Oh, yeah, put it in water after.
Well, what would we need to do to figure out why the soap reacted this way in the water and then the reaction we got in the microwave? What would we have to do? We have to look at ingredients might help. What else? Test it. Someone said test it. We have to do some testing. And until we can do some testing, it's gonna be hard for us to know exactly what happened. So we are gonna do some testing. Not till Monday though. Okay. We got some other stuff we're gonna test to try and figure out what's happening in this situation and why it's happening at all. Yep. No, it was scheduled for Monday anyway, because I've got some other stuff we're gonna do in the next few minutes.
All three together.
Oh, yeah, see, that.
Yeah, we're always looking for that extreme reaction by, well, what happens if you bite it? What happens if you punch it? What happens if you mix it
What happens
together?
if you cut it up and then?
What happens if you peel?
Now, what if you cut, like, a hard and what if you connect them all together, like?
That's what I'm saying.
So, right. So you guys' goal is to have fun with it and hopefully we get something crazy happening.
Yeah, I'm gonna go home.
I get it. It's like walking into chemistry class. When are we gonna blow stuff up?
Yes.
Yeah, so I get it. And so some of those things we might be able to try, but there's some other things we're gonna look at first. I'm trying to figure out what's going on because that's the purpose of what we do, okay? What we do in science is we look at phenomena. You gonna hear that word a lot. Phenomenon, and some people like to sing a song with it. Now, phenomenon is any event that happens in science is considered a phenomenon. It could be something small, it could be something big. This is something kind of small but interesting. Phenomena are made of science ideas. And we work to try and explain these science ideas with observations. So we make observations, then we draw conclusions, and those are our inferences. Now, we all know that observations are a collection of our senses. But what is data? What is data? Yeah.
Observations we recorded.
Observations we recorded. Good. And that's, hey. So recorded observations. So what do you have on your paper now? Okay. More than that, right? Talk to each other at your table. What do you have on your paper now?
Oh, I have to.
All right. All right, who can sum it up? What do you got? What do you got on your paper now?
I can't remember which one was.
No, what's on your paper?
Information.
How you talking about it?
News.
Huh?
I feel like the last one was
Pass it to this guy. What is it? Yeah, it's data. Oh, okay. When you write the observations down, you record it, whatever, you talk about the smell, you talk about the taste. You can almost taste it. Talk about what you heard, what you saw. Okay, that's all observations. That when as soon as you write it down, that becomes data or data, however you like to say it. All right, so on your paper, I want you to draw a big donut for me.
This is a Venn diagram.
No, but it is a big donut. A big donut with a little hole.
Just in the middle of the circle.
Anywhere you want. And next to that donut, I want you to write evidence and data. Evidence and data. Now, I'm going to give you